Hi, this is Valerie and welcome back to Now Gardening. Today I'm going to show you two different ways to harvest leaf lettuce so that it keeps growing. So let's get started. Well, I just harvested some lettuce here and I thought I should probably take a minute to show you how. Now you probably already know how to harvest a head of lettuce, which is to cut it off at its base. That is not what I'm going to be talking about today. Today I'm going to be talking about specifically leaf lettuce, where you have sown the lettuce seeds very close together and then you have these leaf lettuce growing up. In which case I use two different methods to harvest this lettuce depending on how much I have planted. So if you have a large amount planted and you can afford to let it grow back in between cuttings, in that case you can simply cut the amount and harvest the amount that you need and then give it the time to grow back. It's very simple, you just cut it off at the base. Unfortunately, this means that you will have some very immature leaves mixed in with your batch of salad. Here is some lettuce that I cut about 5 days ago, and you can see it's already starting to grow back. Here's lettuce that's still untouched. So this was 5 days ago, this was today, and this is untouched. On the other hand, if you don't have a lot of space, such as you're using a raised bed or planter like me here, then what you can do is you can cut the tallest pieces, the longest pieces of lettuce each day. And so what that does is when you cut the longest leaves, it allows space for the smaller leaves to grow up in their place. And that way you always have growing lettuce and you have a continuous available supply of lettuce each day during the growing season. I've got enough for my lunch, so I hope you picked up a few things that you can use too, and I hope to see you back next time. Thank you. Bye.